So guys, welcome back to McArthur Industry. We're back here in Sandgate, Auto Electrics and Automotive. So over time we've spoken about what we need to think about what we're doing, and I just wanted to chat to you today about Toddy's tips. All right, so one of the things we have is a lot of people that drive their vehicles, and more in the sector of the newer cars these days, is the automatic transmission. It's something that we forget about because it's just so easy. We put it in drive and off we go. And other times when you're getting your vehicle serviced by different regimes, there's some automatic transmissions out there that are unserviceable. They are straight unserviceable, and they will go for the life of the vehicle or until they're in a repairable state where they need to be replaced. All right, and that's when they will go to a transmission expert and get rebuilt. Or there's a lot of vehicles like the vehicle behind me and sort of vintages this year where they do need to have their automatic transmission services. We believe on that side of things to be the right thing by it is you can go through and do a service every around about 20 to 30,000 kilometres to make sure you're on top of it, and make sure that if there's anything that has gone wrong internally, you're actually going to visualise that with oil colour, also filter systems, also if you see any alloy or stuff like that internal whilst they're getting serviced. So from our point of view, have a think about this while you are getting a vehicle service. It doesn't have to be with us, it could be with your normal sector. Just ask them, do I need to get my automatic service? It's something that we probably think you probably should ask while you're there, and they'll be able to advise you of that there. But if you need any of that sort of work, definitely come down and see us. We're here to help you. But if anything like that or any tips that you want to hear about, anywhere from dual battery systems to charging systems to air conditioning to anything you can think about, fitting out four-wheel drives, canopy setups, we're here to help you. So put it into Toddy Tips down below, put some mentions in there. We'll get to Sam to come back and we'll have a chat about it. Even products, guys, if there's any products that you want some regimes about, let us know. Have a great day, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye.